జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. ఓ తపస్వి, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ గ్రేట్నెస్? కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ యువర్ tapobalam, the power that you got out of your tapas? Like that, when Hanuma asked, that tapasvi is saying like this: Mayo nama mahateja mayavi danavarshabha. Oh Vanara, there used to be one Danavashreshta Maya. That Maya, he built this entire Kanchanavanam, this golden buildings and everything. That Maya used to be a Vishwakarma to all Danavas. So that Maya did tapasya in this big forest. He did tapasya for thousands of years. And then Chaturmukha Brahma appeared to him. Then Maya asked, "Oh Brahmadeva, I want all the wealth, the Silpa Shastra, everything which belongs to Sukracharya, which is written by Sukracharya, that Silpa Shastram. I want to get all of that." Like that, he got that boon and he built this Kanchanavanam. He lived here for so many years and enjoyed all the pleasures. Then, at some point, Maya started loving, started desiring Hema. She is an angel, Apsarasa. So, Indra came to know about that. Then Devendra came down and he hit Maya with his Vajrayudham and killed Maya. Then Chaturmukha Brahma gave this Kanchanavanam to that Apsarasa Hema. Oh Vanarottama, now I am going to tell you about myself. My name is Swayam Prabha. Aham Tasyaha Swayam Prabha. And I am the daughter of Meru Savarni. I am friend of Hema. Hema is my friend. So Hema gave a responsibility to take care of this Kanchana Bhavanam. Now, let me ask you about yourself. Oh Vanara, why did you all come into these huge big forests? And how did you end up coming into this Kanchanavanam? And how did you all get to know about this Kanchanavanam? And oh Vanara, you said you are all hungry and thirsty. So before you give me answer, before you tell me details about yourself, you all go ahead and eat and drink and quench your hunger and thirst. Then sarvam me vaktumarhatha. Then you tell me about all of your story. When Swayamprabha said like that, all the Vanaras, they all went and ate and drank all the waters and juices, then quenched their hunger and thirst, then came back to Swayamprabha. Now Swayamprabha asking, "Oh Hanuma, Shrotumichami Kathyatam. If you have no objection, if you don't mind, then you tell me about all your story. But I am very much curious to learn about you all." When Swayamprabha asked like that, now Hanuma saying that, "Oh Swayamprabha, Raja Sarvasya Lokasya Mahendra Varunopamaha Sakala Lokadhisha," and the one who is equivalent to Indra and Varuna, such Ramachandra Swami, Dasaratha's son, Ramo Dasarathi Sriman Pravishto Dandakavanam. That Sri Ramachandra came into Dandakaranyam along with his brother Lakshmana and wife Vaidehi, Sita Devi. And then tasya bharya janasthanat ravanena hruta balat. From that Janasthanam in Dandakaranyam, Ravana abducted Sitamma, Rama's wife Sitamma. Like that, Hanuman now giving all details to Swayam Prabha. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.